Is this little Taylor?
This is little Taylor.
Gorgeous. We bought you a Christmas present.
Christmas present, okay.
It's a spare blade.
Oh. Right.
And a bit of merchandise.
Yep.
To go with your Junior Peterson on the back of the truck.
Oh.
All for you. To say,
I thought it might have been a hat.
There's definitely a hat there too.
Shop bandstand.
It's just to say, look, you know, thanks for everything with testing the mill, but not just that, but your support and all your positivity about us and your existing mill, and you may as well take that one away and, you know, get some really good use out of it. So we're really grateful.
Go and make some sawdust. Well, we're going to have to tidy up the shed now, aren't we?